So here we are again, another job. We been trying to find a leak in the skimmers. Now this skimmer is linked to the other skimmer on a T. Found the problem. The leak is from this point back to there, so we're going to do away with that unit totally to not be used again, and reconnect up this skimmer down here and then test it. Hopefully job done. That works. There you go, leak fixed, pipe connected. Bit of a flow rate reduction, but hey, it's gonna work. Job done. So give the new pipe work skimmer pressure test. Just set it half a bar, that's enough, and that is holding. Let's test this low suction point. Don't know why it's got one, because we do have a main drain. Let's see. It's not filling up yet. No. It's got to run. It's coming out there, look, Tom. What's going on then? This pool gets weirder. It's coming out of that. Why? Is it coming out that side there, Tom? It's not, is it?
No, just the left side.
So we're not getting any pressure.
Is it all plugged in up this end?
I have a check, but all the valves were off. I think for some reason they're using this, or was, as a return. Right, let's test again. Might take a while to fill. So, taking it to 1 bar, and it's holding. So, stage 2 will be a complete new tile band. So what you see there, which is the Roman key design, we're going to take all that off and just put a solid blue tile band. We've got areas where the tiling's all over there. It's all starting to blow and come away, usual story. So yeah, we'll carry on with that once we've sorted this mess out. So, close up look at the tile band. It's coming off. Skimmer is a bit of a state. We're going to renew all of this. Okay, today we're going to start putting on this tile band. Filled in the paving there the other day. Tom's just doing a bit more preparation, but we're just going to be laying these a more solid colour same as around the fittings, but just not the Roman key he had before. Right, tile band on, looking much better. And some just trying to install a new stainless steel face plates. Well, we tried to come here and do some grouting. As you can see, covered in snow, and it's worse than I thought. So nothing will be happening today. Oh. So there you go. The pool is now all re-grouted, new tile band, re-grouted all over. I'm not sure if you can see on the video, but it does look a lot fresher, as if the whole pool had just been tiled. So yeah, now we will put the hose in it and probably take, depending on the hose pressure, 3 to 5 days to fill this up. Pretty good few years left, good few years life now.